Welcome to PyProjectMate. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to code a random password generator using Python. First, let's discuss the key aspects of a strong password. A strong password shall be a mixture of an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, special character, and a number. Hence, minimum length of the password shall be 4. So now, let's begin with flowchart. First, take the length of password as an input from the user. Till the time user does not enter an integer more than 4, exceptions will keep on occurring and user will have to re-enter the input. Once a valid input is given by the user, we will add a digit, a lowercase character, an uppercase character, and a special character randomly to a temporary list. Now, we will keep on adding random characters into temporary list till list length becomes equal to the user input. Next, we will shuffle the list and print out the concatenated string. Hereby, the flowchart will end. Now, let's have a walkthrough of the code. In the first line, we have imported random package. It will help to select random characters from the list of characters as well as help to shuffle the selected list. Next, we have defined a class shortLength for exception handling by deriving it from exception class. We will raise this exception if user input will be less than 4. Next, we have an infinite loop which will run till user enters valid input. Now, in try block, we are asking for user input. If user enters integer less than 4, short length exception will occur and length cannot be less than 4 will get printed. If user enters anything apart from integer, then please enter an integer value will get printed. In both cases, user will have to re-enter the input. Once user enters the valid input, loop will break. Now in lines 19, 21, 26 and 31, I have defined 4 lists containing digits, lowercase characters, uppercase characters, and symbols respectively. In line 34, I have combined all these lists into a single list called combined list. Now, in line 36, I have declared a temp pass variable which contains an empty list. In next 4 lines, I am selecting a random element from each of the above mentioned 4 lists and adding them to temp pass list. I have used choice function from random package to return a random element from each of the lists. With this, we have minimum characters required for a strong password. Next, we have a for loop in which we are adding random characters from combined lists till length of temp pass list becomes equal to user input. Now, if we see first 4 characters of our list, they will always be ordered as a digit followed by an uppercase character, followed by a lowercase character, and at the end followed with a special character because of lines 37 to 40. So, to break this pattern, we are shuffling the temp pass list using shuffle function from random package at line 45. Next, we have concatenated the list to form a string in line 47 using the dot join function. At the end, we have displayed the password. So, now let's move to the output. After running the code, I am being asked to enter the length of a password and minimum length is 4. So, if I enter 3 as length of the password, then length cannot be less than 4 gets printed. Now let's try to enter ABC as input. Now, please enter an integer value got printed. So, let's enter 8 this time. We can see that now a password got printed. It covers all the key aspects of a strong password, that is, it has a number, lowercase character, an uppercase character, and a special character, and its length is also 8. So, our code is working fine. Now, try it yourself and feel free to ask the doubts in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, then do like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you.